Seekabook review, pricing explained what you get for your money. If you're hunting for great book deals online, you probably came across Band Seekabook 0, but most people get this wrong. You need to dig beyond the sticker price to see what you're really paying. Here's the deal. Seekabook positions itself as a book-selling or book-swapping platform. While some sources flag it as average to good trust score, they caution the site has relatively few visitors and limited user review data. Search another review site warns of unusually low prices and tracking number issues on similar book sites. Search. So what do you get when you use Seekabook? You may find books at bargain prices, possibly rare titles or second-hand copies if the site is functioning for you. What you give up is transparency, fewer independent reviews, unclear delivery or condition expectations, and risk of delays or missed shipments. If you're shopping from India, check shipping and import fees, check condition of the book new versus used, ensure payment methods protect you. For example, if the listed price is very low but shipping takes weeks, and you end up paying extra for condition or returns, the value drops. Here's what to evaluate. 1. Compare the book's price on Seekabook versus local e-commerce bookstores in India or internationally. 2. Factor in shipping costs, currency conversion, and potential customs import duties. 3. Check if the book is new or used. Used books often cost less, but condition matters. 4. Read any user reviews of their delivery, quality, returns. On this one, the review pool is thin. In summary, Seekabook could be a good value if you're flexible, willing to wait, accept condition trade-offs, pay shipping. But if you want fast delivery, brand new condition, and strong consumer protection, you might find better peace of mind elsewhere. The surprising truth, a low listed price doesn't automatically mean best value once shipping and condition are factored in. Thanks for watching. If you found this breakdown helpful, please subscribe and catch our next review, where we dig into another online platform you may be using.